This video presents how to download an invoice template, create a new invoice, send the invoice per email, and store the list of all invoices in an Excel file. Download an invoice template from the online repository. The downloaded table contains an invoice list with a single demonstration invoice. There are invoice columns, customer columns, and the articles or services sold. Of course, you can define additional column when needed. First, save the downloaded template as Excel, Word, and Ediproj files. The Ediproj links the Excel and Word document with each other. The Excel file is loaded into the data view. The Word file is placed in the text view. You can switch between the both views as much as you wish. All adjustments in the data view are automatically synchronized with the text view. Insert a new invoice into the list. Create some invoice items. Select the latest invoice, and switch to the text view. Without making the selection, you could print all available invoices at once. This feature is known as mail merge into multiple files. All defined columns have been automatically detected as mail merge fields. The template document contains sample data. Adjust the data according to your needs, as you do it in MS Word or other text processor of your choice. The invoice details do not need to be altered now. Click the Print preview. The invoice can be printed or exported to a file. If you unselect the current invoice, you can create a serial letter with all your invoices. Define the naming pattern for your invoices. We name the files with the constant prefix, invoice, and the value of the invoice number field as the suffix. There are multiple file types available as the target, but PDF is the most versatile one. For privacy, you can protect your invoices with a password. The password can be defined as an additional field in the data view. Save the files. Two PDF files with unique names were generated. The names are based on the invoice number. Open the later one. You can mail merge multiple invoices per email in one shot. Define the recipient. Use the according fields for personalizing the email message. Additional recipients can be defined. For example, you can enter your own email address as the carbon copy for the evidence purposes. Customize the subject. Define the message body. Insert attachments. The file pattern must match the existing files. Multiple attachments are possible. For example, an invoice, privacy policy, and other informations. Send the email at yourself for validating the final version. The data view is a normal spreadsheet. There, you can analyze your sales, format numbers, or create additional fields. Let's create an additional field, with a custom PDF password per customer. Switch to the text view, and mail merge into multiple files. The new field, password, was detected automatically. Insert the field into the edit box. Open the last PDF file. Enter D-E-F as the password. You remember, that was the password for Harry Potter in the data view. Eddy is a universal tool for creating invoices, payment reminders, reports, and other serial letters. Eddy is installed on your local computer, and it also stores the data locally. Storing data on your local computer has a huge advantage. Your invoice data is not accessible for third parties. Some malicious cloud invoice generators aim at your customer data or your best sellers. Your business conditions are one of the most valuable data in your company. Another advantage, due to the storing data in the popular Excel format, you can easily export the data to other programs when needed. Moreover, using the Excel format, you can alter each parameter of your invoice as you need and when you need it. On the contrary, customizing a proprietary invoice software could be very expensive or even impossible. With Eddy, Text Editor, you have almost unlimited freedom by creating your serial letters. Working with Eddy is as easy as you know it from MS Office. However, no MS Office is required for working with Eddy. Keep your software processes simple and transparent. Eddy-texteditor.com